In a bustling town in India, a young girl named Meera discovers an extraordinary parrot perched on her window. This parrot, with its vibrant green feathers and a penchant for speaking in flawless Hindi, becomes Meera's unlikely companion. One day, the parrot, with an air of mystery, beckons Meera to follow it. Intrigued, she trails the bird through winding alleys and bustling markets until they reach an inconspicuous entrance to an underground lair. Inside, Meera finds a secret society of revolutionary thinkers, passionately discussing ideas of change and progress. The parrot, it turns out, is their trusted messenger, bridging the gap between the outside world and their clandestine gatherings. As Meera listens to their visionary plans, she realizes the power of unity and the importance of courageous voices in shaping the future. With the parrot as her guide, Meera embarks on a journey of enlightenment, determined to share the revolutionary spirit with the world above.